After the mountain, another noise that is like a mountain, but it has a vast land, create more vast lands, is a range. As you can see, this is a range mountain that your vast terrain combined to the peaks. And as you can see, we have two style. High altitude, it means it's create, if you change the seed in the randomness, it creates more peaks on your terrain. And here you can change the scale to create more peaks. And the height, you can increase or decrease the all height of the peaks at once. As you can see, it's a scale of whole terrain, but it's changing the height of that. Definition, as you can see, it's for enhancing the detail on surface of the mountain. Definition, you can change it if you want. As you can see, it's enhance the details. But as you can see, don't forget to increase your number of your resolution for better view. If you have a powerful system, don't forget. If you need more chaos, you can increase or decrease of that. More random. And here you can change random. For scaling this mountain in any direction, X or Y, you can right click, scale it by 1. As you can see, you can scale it in X direction and or Y direction. Instead of clicking and dragging these sliders, I suggest that you right click and increase or decrease by this handles by 1, double it, and that's it. It's better. And of course, after that, the better result for the range is to combining and export it to the erosion node. Release it, and if you go on your favorite, your most useful node will be here, and here is an erosion. And as we can see, we have a nice and more smooth result. And here is a with a base. It creates more vast terrain with a more flat area. It creates a little peaks for you with the base. As you can see, we have more flat area. And you can change the scale or right click on it too. And you can export it to the erosion. This is the range. As you can see, it's a modular node. You export the output of the range to the erosion to erode this mountain. As you can see, it's erode and make them beautiful result for you. So just we are introducing the node, and after that we give you a lot of examples to creating or achieving your mountains. Nice, this is in range.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.